King Dalan. Beep, beep, beep. All roads lead to Angeles City as the much anticipated annual Grand Street festivities of food, music, and of course, beer kickoff. Held every last Friday and Saturday of October, the Tigtigan Terakan King Dalan, or TTKD, echoes the resiliency of Angelenos following the devastation brought about by the eruption of Mount Pinatubo in 1991. Playful, vibrant, and colorful, this wearable work of art invites everyone to come along to the merrymaking that Tigtigan Terakan King Dalan brings about. Libat, the annual 3-day fiesta celebration in Apalit, held every June 28, 29, and 30, is considered as the most widely recognized and grandest fiesta in Pampanga. Spanish friars later Christianized the tradition by introducing Saint Peter or Apong Iru, whose feast day coincides with the timing of the ancient holidays. This costume depicts goddess of river of the ancient time and highlights transitions of today's Apong Iru Libad Festival along Pampanga River, wherein the miraculous image of Saint Peter or Apong Iru is seen on a beautiful pagoda, joined by thousands of devotees chanting religious songs and hymns in their decorated bangkas. It has been a piece of the town's way of life and custom, a testament of deep devotion and preserved culture and tradition, as it is listed as one of the intangible cultural heritage in the Philippines. Designer Charlotte Rodriguez. Arayat. Mariang Sinukuan. This costume portrait the legendary figure in Kapampangan folklore, Mariang Sinukuan. A mythical diwata or the very figure represents beauty, strength, and cultural pride of the Arayat. She is sometimes viewed as a Kapampangan counterpart of Maria Makiling, a well-known figure from Laguna. Maria Sinukuan reside in Mount Arayat, a prominent mountain in Pampanga. According to tales, she protected the Arayateños and blessed them with abundance, particularly in agriculture. The myth of Maria Sinukuan reflects the town's connection to the environment, spirituality, and cultural identity. And she continues to be celebrated in local festivals, arts, and traditions. Designer Chrysler Siguacaba. Bacolor is a small town in the Philippines, province of Pampanga, known for its rich history, friendly locals, and delicious food, including tamales, suman, puto seco, pindang damulag, and tocino. This contemporary Filipiniana bakulod costume, which is a Kapampangan word that means high-level rocky place or plateau. The name was Hispanicized to become Bacolor, is embellished with wooden beads and laces, which represent life and growth, and is composed of Banig and Ratan, which stand for strength and unity. The backdress paint portrays a half-buried church, the San Guillermo Parish Church of Bacolor, as a result of the province's lahar overflow during the Mount Pinatubo eruption, as well as the exodus of the people of Bacolor. During this time, people walk barefoot while carrying their goods to safety, while rich and poor people were walking together in unity. Tilapia. This stunning costume captures the vibrant essence of tilapia, or also known as St. Peter's fish. Through a dazzling blend of textures and colors, the bodice, adorned with shimmering sequins beads, reflects the vibrant scales of the tilapia, creating an eye-catching focal point that draws attention and sparkles with every movement. These fins are expertly layered and designed to mimic the natural elegance of a fish underwater. Each bead detail is meticulously placed to resemble the intricate patterns found on a tilapia scales, while also providing texture and depth. Completing the look is a breathtaking headpiece and mattress that features flowing fins resembling wings, reminiscent of the graceful swim of the tilapia in an underwater paradise. Miraculously, or perhaps by coincidence, the patron saint of Candaba, Saint Andrew the Apostle, is a fisherman and the brother of Saint Peter the Apostle, after whom the fish is named. This connection brings even more blessings to the town and its livelihood. Floridablanca. Pinukpok. This pinukpok fabric, intricately woven, is a masterpiece crafted by the diligent and passionate hands of Floridablanca artisans. It embodies the essence of life, faith, culture of the beloved town. The pure white tones and the silken brilliance of silver reflect the unmatched skills of craftsmen who create beauty using humble tools like ladles, strainers, pots, pans, and more. These hard-working individuals, regardless of skin color or social standing, are a testament to the power of dedication and perseverance. Today, the tradition of Pinukpok thrives as a shining emblem of Floridablanca's culture, paying homage to the tireless farmers, weavers, and artisans who keep their heritage alive. Designer Oplong Paras. The soul of Guagua. Dubbed as the soul of Guagua, tradition and culture carved in time. This ensemble brings the spirit of Guagua to life in a visual tapestry of tradition and beauty. Every detail in this costume reflects Guagua's vibrant spirit, from its culinary legacy to its unwavering faith. It weaves a visual mosaic that celebrates the town's enduring legacy, showcasing the pride and beauty of its people and traditions. Carved wooden patterns and embroidered details adorned the entire costume, imitating the delicate, ornate designs seen on religious altars, statues, and wooden decor created by Guagua's master craftsmen, honoring the legacy of Dukit as a symbol of Pampanga's rich cultural heritage. This is not just a costume, but a tribute to the heart and soul of Guagua. Designer Rambo Alarcon. Bangon, babae ning gintong panahon. Behold a masterpiece that radiates strength, grace, and the indomitable spirit of empowered woman. This gown pays tribute to trailblazing leaders of Pampanga, women who have transformed leadership with their resilience and vision. Inspired by the elegance of MUTYA Kapampangan winners from Lubao, it honors the beauty, determination of Kapampangan women. Each stitch tells the story of the women of Lubao from every walk of life who fearlessly pursue their dreams and aspirations. This is more than a gown. It is a celebration of womanhood, empowerment, and the enduring legacy of leadership and courage. Mabalacat, a local costume inspired by the balaka tree, is a symbol of resilience, beauty, and life. Native to the Philippines and abundant in Mabalacat, the balakat thrives in even the harshest conditions. Its deep roots and strong branches remain us to stay grounded and resilient in the face of challenges. The local costume's earthy tones represent the tree's natural beauty, while its enduring presence reflects our own strength and pride as a people. Just as the balakat provides shades and sustenance, it symbolizes the importance of community and unity. This local costume as a tribute to our heritage, a reminder of a quiet strength and enduring beauty that define us. Designer Carl John Miranda. Macabebe. La Carroza de Santo. This costume emanates from the national dress of our country, which is a Filipiniana, with details about our church that symbolizes our strong faith in God. This gown is made of gold, which signifies the power of religion, and the color of white, which symbolizes purity. Its intricate designs, such as angels, symbolize hope, love and light, and the birds which symbolize freedom and dreams. The headpiece is inspired by the altar of our town's patron saint, San Nicolas de Tolentino, which symbolizes our faith and strong belief. The San Nicolas de Tolentino, which stands for the diligent and compassionate santeros in our town. The fact that our town is well known for producing saints is evidence of great devotion that the Macabebe people have for various saints. In the lower part of the costume, we will see the carroza of the saint, signifying devotion as Catholics. The carroza is a decorated structure surrounded by colorful and astonishing flowers, illuminated with warm yellow and white, especially during feasts like the one we're about to celebrate, the Feast of Apong Kulas. This proves that the people of Macabebe have a meaningful devotion and faith to God. Designer Freddy De La Vega and Hans Gilmer Trinidad. Magalang. Ing malabatuin ding Magalang, Lubenas ding Pasko. This is a masterpiece inspired by the deeply rooted cultural tradition of Magalang. It features a laser-cut lace adorned with intricate beads and pearls, symbolizing the elegance and devotion integral to the celebration. To bring the essence of the Lubenas to life, this costume incorporates lights, evoking the radiant paroles that illuminate the streets during the procession. This costume design not only highlights the artistry of Magalenyo craftsmanship, but also celebrates Magalang's pride in the annual Christmas tradition, which was recognized with the prestigious Atop Pearl Awards 2024 as the best institutionalized program for culture and the arts. Miss Magalang proudly embodies the municipality's vibrant culture and spirituality, making her representation a tribute to the town's heritage. Every detail of the costume reflects the solemnity, unity, and faith that define Lubenas ning Pasko. Balen. In the vibrant coastal town of Masantol, a unique costume was crafted to embody the rich seafood that defines its culture and economy. The flowing fabric shimmered like the ocean waves, adorned with intricate patterns of fish and shells that celebrated the bounty of the sea. At the heart of the costume, a golden emblem of San Miguel Arcangel, the town's beloved patron saint, glimmers, symbolizing the deep-rooted faith and devotion of the town's people. The vibrant colors dance in the sunlight, mirroring the joy and pride of people who cherish their roots. In that moment, the costume became a powerful reminder of their connection to the sea, their faith, and their enduring strength. Gintong Pupul. This costume is a tribute to our town's most cherished treasures and identity, embodying what Mexico is best known for. It stands as one of the province's largest rice producers and proudly remains a leading producer of corn in the Philippines. One of the town's iconic contributions to Filipino culture is the renowned San Nicolas cookies. Believed to have healing powers in the past, these delicacies gained international recognition, appreciating the efforts of food historian Lilian Lising Borromeo, who showcased their significant and unique story. The carabao featured in her costume symbolizes the resilience, hard work, and the strength of local farmers who tirelessly provide for their families. The wooden beads symbolize the Mexicanos' unwavering love, unity, commitment, and dedication, embodying the spirit that makes Mexico a beautiful paradise and a source of pride for its people. Gracia Ninda Numan. The gift of our waters in the aquaculture industry, Minalin has emerged as the country's leading tilapia producer. A popular and affordable food to our Kabalens, tilapia is a resilient fish that thrives and adapts to worse and wide-range conditions. Thriving in Minalin's brackish waters, tilapia's beautiful ombre scales give it its uniqueness and identity. Muddish water may hide its scales' luster, but they will eventually glitter and shine once light touched its scales. Like the tilapia, Minaleños are truly resilient people who overcome challenges or tragedies, whatever comes their way, and emerge triumphant. Designer Ryan Manansala. A town shaped by resilience, innovation, and tradition. It draws inspiration from the Babo robot, a 30-foot mechanical figure built for the 1996 film Robo Warriors, which was filmed in Porac. After the film, the robot was left as a gift or pamana to the town, becoming a lasting symbol of strength and creativity. The flowing gray fabric represents balas or sand, Porac's natural blessing and source of prosperity. A true pamana that has transformed the town's economy. The metallic details echo the industrial strength of the Babo robot, symbolizing Porac's ability to rise above challenges through innovation and ingenuity. Crowned with an elegant headdress that blends industrial and natural motifs, the costume beautifully portrays the harmony between heritage and progress. It serves as a proud tribute to Porac's unique identity, honoring its pamana, a story of hope, creativity, and determination. Designer Carlo Wendell Gomez. Parol, a colorful visual display depicting the bituin or the star. This costume, named Bituin Fernandino, a star, has always been a beacon of hope, a shining light that guides the way. Like Fernandinos and their world-class lanterns, they serve as an inspiration, hope, and light to many people. This masterpiece is truly a product of creative minds, passionate hearts, and united Fernandinos. Known universally as the Asia's Christmas capital because of its Parul San Fernando, it is just but fitting and just to give a nod of respect to the beloved city, the city of San Fernando. Mayumong Pupul, or Sweet Harvest. It is an epitome of beauty, history, and culture that stood the test of time. Embraced in a silhouette adorned with intricate designs lies the sticky sweet delight that bibingkang nasi fills the heart. Carried with pristine elegance are accents of palay that served as a cradle of prosperity in the agricultural lands of San Luis. A braggadocio of strength and character is immortalized in an avatar of Carabao's head. Baskets filled with ulang as its striving source of livelihood bestowed by the majestic Pampanga River. Mounted at the heart of the suit is a fruit bat where the town's original name came from, San Nicolas Cabagsak. Paying homage to the history that it played in the sustenance of Luiseños and flood control brought by the germination of seeds from its manure. Completing this masterpiece is a headdress emulating the only church in the Philippines with 3 bell towers, St. Aloysius Gonzaga's Parish Church, articulating the unbreakable faith and resilience of Luiseños. Palbaksan, a perfect marriage of modern while highlighting the beautiful culture of the beloved hometown of this MUTYA. Agriculture, industry, and fisheries are some of the income-generating products of San Simon. But beyond its natural splendor, the flow of modernization and innovation have impacted and influenced this MUTYA's hometown so much. Despite the catastrophic challenges it has faced, the immunization of its people towards cultural breaker is stronger than that of the metal they produced. Proud to say that San Simon is now on its way to becoming first-class municipality. Its perfect picture of modern Kapampangan beauty meets rich culture a place of unending improvement of tradition, San Simon. Designer, Darwin Leonco Reyes. Sasmuan. Tagak, the great egret that reigns over its bakong malapat. The design of this costume is inspired by the grace and elegance of this magnificent bird, which not only serves as a garland, but also symbolizes deep commitment to environmental protection and the conservation. The costume features flowing white fabrics that mimic the bird's striking plumage, with intricate feather patterns embroidered across the bodice and sleeves. The soft, ethereal materials reflect the purity and tranquility of the wetland ecosystem. A dramatic, sweeping train of fabric extends behind the wearer, symbolizing the bird's powerful wings as it soars above the waters, overseeing the wetland's health. The headdress is a stunning homage to the tagak's long, graceful neck and sharp, piercing gaze, featuring a crown of delicate white feathers with accents of gold to represent the bird's commanding presence. The tagak is a symbol of hope, resilience, and the town's ongoing efforts to protect this vital ecosystem for future generations. Mahigangas, the timeless giants of Santa Ana. In the heart of Santa Ana, Pampanga, towering 10-foot giants that embody the timeless spirit of a community bound by tradition and artistry. The town bursts to life every December with the Mahiganga Festival, an annual cultural celebration showcasing these colossal figures. They are crafted from humble materials like bamboo, tarpaulin, and recycled sacks, standing as momentous resilience and the enduring Kapampangan spirit. The Mahigangas dance through the streets during vibrant processions, their fierce yet comical faces warding off darkness and heralding joy. With every sway and turn, they tell the story of love for culture, strength, and unity, and an unbreakable spirit. The Mahigangas are a living legacy, a celebration of identity, a testament to ingenuity, and symbol of hope. Designer, Kevin Pasion Salazar. Kabao. This costume is a striking representation of both elegance and solemnity, symbolizing the delicate balance between life and death. The design features an intricately detailed casket-shaped ensemble made from layers of luxurious fabrics such as satin, lace, and tulle. The rich Kapampangan heritage is reflected through subtle embroidery inspired by traditional patterns, showcasing the region's deep connection to art and culture. Delicate roses, symbol of love and remembrance, are scattered across the ensemble, enhancing the ethereal quality of the look. The 7 white birds embodies the creativity and hard work of the 7 barangays in Santo Tomas. This costume serves as a haunting yet graceful design. It captures the essence of Kapampangan artistry, history, and the reverence for life's impermanence. Santa Rita! Butil ning kultura, bulaklak ning tradisyon. Pakamala na gintong pale, yampang king lablab akasalpantayanan, king balen at tibuan. This piece reflects the long-standing tradition of pounding glutinous rice and turning it into a light pale gold or green delicacy called duman, and embodies a vibrant festival of celebrating the impossible works of Apong Dita, which is the Pitwikan Festival. She is a patron saint of impossibilities and hopelessness. Roses and bees symbolize the presence of all Riteñans in preserving the legacy and beliefs of their municipality, whereas they always strive for excellence and success. Duman is a representation of dedication, world-class talent, authentic food, majestic corners, and most importantly, the undying love for arts and culture of the humble municipality of Santa Rita.